What's up YouTube, BBNet249 coming at ya. Sorry, I've been having some problems. As everyone knows, my webcam that I bought doesn't really have any sound on it. Kinda sucks, but whatever. Mail day first. Want to thank Michael, ex-Cicero guy. Go and check him out. Good guy. He sent me a bunch of Bowman Chrome for my set. If you guys have any more, I'll be able to inform you probably tomorrow. I'll make another video because tonight, after I get back from going out and have a little bit of fun, I'm going to go through and see where I'm at with that Bowman Chrome set. And if you have DPP, I'll do the same thing. But Michael, I'll get back to you on the whole deal with the case that we might bust after I see where I'm at with my set. So thanks a lot. I appreciate that. Next, we got a mail day from Chad Redfern. Let me see here. Here we go. He sent a few extras. I appreciate that, Chad. A Swing Kings Vlad jersey. This is the one that I got. Pujols with stitching. Pretty sweet looking card. They'll probably be going up for trade. Or going probably straight to Joel. We'll work something out for that. And another Vlad with a pinstripe in the corner. So thanks a lot. Check out Chad. I'm sure he'll be coming up with another group break pretty soon here. Thanks a lot for that, man. And the other one got shipped to my other place, so that's no worries. I just won't have a video for it in a while. Next we got Zach, Irish Cajun. I won his raffle. Pretty damn nice, if you don't say. He also sent me this extra. Billy Petrick here. Enjoy my lot of dirty dishes behind me. So I'm kind of sorry about that. Pretty sweet there. He's a single A guy for the Cubs. Next we'll go through all these really quick. I'm sorry I haven't gotten a video of Zach, but I've been having technical difficulties. First one is Disgusting. Fred Taylor out of 28. Logo patch for the Panthers. Or Jaguars, excuse me. Joseph Adai. 2-color, 1-color. That's out of 25. Devin Hester jersey. Debo patch. This is my favorite one. Lawrence Maroney, huge Big Ten fan here. 2-color, 2-color from the Gridiron Kings set. Got a 1-color Maroney. Early Dew set, 3-color, and that's out of 25. 25 out of 25. Derek Mason jersey out of 50. 10 out of 50. 3-color, 2-color. Marquise Colston. Antonio Gates, 3-color. Joseph Adai, 2-color. Joseph Adai, 1-color, normal jersey. Joseph Adai, 2-color, 2-color patch. This is nasty. Fook, if you want this one, let me know. It is a Brandon Stokely, number 4 patch here from the Broncos. Paul Williams, 3-color. Debo, Disgusting patches. Rookie Gridiron Gems. This is another one of my favorites. Early Dew set. Number 8, another good one, Steve Slayton, 2-color. Triple Benson, Bernard Berrien, and Cedric Benson, or Hester, excuse me. Sid Luckman out of 80. Andre Johnson, 1-color, out of 99. Jason Hill, 2-color rookie jersey out of Sterling. We have a Drew Brees patch, 2 colors, out of 25. Laundry Tag Deuce, out of 25. Devery Henderson, 3-color out of 25 out of 50, and the best one probably the AP 2-color Roy Williams 1-color out of 50. So thanks a lot guys for watching. I appreciate that. Ardell, Ryan, please contact me about that trade. I need to view everything as a whole before you send it out. Hopefully you haven't. I just want to get a picture again about what all I'm getting. So thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot, Zach. Thanks a lot, Michael, and thanks a lot, Chad. Peace out, guys. If you were interested, let me know. I'm willing to trade or sell. Peace.